This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
PRV860. Seven PRV860 Honda Civic. Bro, where you going?
That should apply to everyone in the firing squad. Laura Loomer said that they speak occasionally. Quote, he knows I'm a Trump loyalist, and I know he doesn't like Trump. And despite our differences, we have found common ground on making sure Ron DeSantis is the president of the United States ever. So never DeSantis.
Behind us. Oh, wow. Yeah, they didn't touch anybody. Wow.
What in are you doing?
Oh, no.
Yeah, well, I'll do that one.
Okay. Holy do that. Holy moly. Get over here.
Never delivered that.
Yeah, my instinct was just to laugh it off. Like, it's some nut out there and let's ignore him. And then we'll move on to somebody else. Don't worry about it.
But then he Googled his son,
And then I saw the post
and there were these horrible things written about him as well.
accusing our son of being a pedophile.
my God.
I got home Tuesday morning at 2:30 from Belize. It was amazing. Let me jump to the business stuff first.
Oh my word.
I just emailed, or I just texted
Shit.
Sherry.
Oh, shit.
She is David Chadwick.
Oh no.
And all of his friends, them niggas out of this world, they came out of the sands. I'm still back. That shit was see my album advance. They so I stay proud of my stance. I kept slapping the world with
Oh, fuck. God damn. What the fuck? Nou,
Wat had het?
De knop.
It's a great point by Doggy. If it is Miami, Damian Lillard and Jimmy Butler are on the same timeline. So in some ways, Stephen A., I agree that is sort of what makes sense. I think they're both 33 years old right now, and both locked up for a number.
The late 60s, halfway into the 70s, before that final end, that famous picture, the video of the helicopters leaving the American embassy. So people were tired.
Oh! Yeah, I know, buddy. I understand. Oh, I just turned into a really bad day. Oh!
Oh my god.
That's a lawyer's office.
God damn.
Used different names for them yesterday. Steve was home and he was away. And caught
Oh my gosh, bear.
in his doorway.
Ah, that's
Where
why I
I hit.
told
Oh, you okay? Are you okay?
Ouch.
Are you okay?
Yes.
This morning.
I told you.
Were you wanting to do blood work again, or did you want to hold off?
I'm sorry, I just saw an accident. Yeah, we can do blood work again.
Okay.
Important. All right. Will a whack packer die, and if so, who? Forget that.
Have this discussion.
All right, skip that one. And, oh, wait, Gary's got an answer. Go ahead.
I'm just looking. I have a list up here from when we had our pool years ago.
Who's in your list?
Oh, so there's Bigfoot, Angry Alice.
Blatantly, they're just saying it. They're saying women are being taken and men are being taken for their labor. I don't know how they could be more clear.
Yeah, that's powerful. All right, and again, that's from Ireland.
Holy Jesus Christ! Whoa! Dude!
Going to the cottage, but we still got delays there. Northbound Highway 11 at Sparrow Lake, a left lane is blocked off for maintenance work. Eastbound 401, we have delays through the Salem area, and then it's just starting to bunch up at Brock Street. If you are traveling through Port Carling, Highway 118 is right now, and traveling up through Wabamun.
The whole team comes out, sits down, talks to you. It was like amazing. She was so awesome. And the other one, younger, and really Nancy, the Christian type person yet. That also ICM. It's out here in Hollywood as well. And it was such a tough decision. It was like a final rose ceremony. I haven't broken up with someone in 20.
Shook his head. Cullen grinned, puzzled. I had one once. Gee, it hurt, didn't it?
Feels like, perpetually tired and thinks he needs a CPAP machine.
It feels like, I guess, going on tour, and I guess if you have sleep.
Jesus Christ!
I have one left still, so maybe just one for now, but I don't need it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Holy fire, fire, fire!
Am I doing okay? Oh, I hope so. Huh? Don't worry, keep going. And check. He's good. So, I didn't pass? Everything's great. Congrats. Hooray! Thanks a lot. Dreams come true. Good luck. Thanks. Huh?
Good morning.
Hello. Shall we start?
Sure. I'm finally gonna become a driver. Let's roll. Huh? Oh no, how could I forget?
Wait, what are you doing? Stop! Stop it!
Calm down, this has to be done.
We're gonna crash. I'm too young to die. I want to leave.
Uh-oh. How did that happen? Ouch.
How could you be so reckless? You could have killed us.
Not a big deal. I want my license. Come on.
Huh? Fail.
What? Are you serious?
First up, the full width front crash test. 3, 2, 1. Next up, the small overlap front crash test. 3, 2, 1.
I just wanna take my time living life. out, I don't belong.
After the death of Indiana Republican Congresswoman Jackie Walorski, she was killed along with 2 staffers and another person in a 2-car crash in her district. Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita got to know her well when she was a state
Electrician killed in Las Vegas. Jesus Christ, dude.